Hi, I'm Doug, and today we're going to be turning this normal, stupid, boring, janky outlet into an outlet with a USB charger for our phones. This is called the SnapPower. It's 20 bucks, and there's no wiring needed. You just remove your old faceplate, pop in the new one, and these little metal doodads in here make contact with the screws inside your outlet and provide power to the USB thing. All we need is a screwdriver. It should just snap right in. Just double check our instructions here. Step 1, select an outlet that the product will be installed over. Step 2, turn off power at the circuit breaker and test that the power is off of the outlet before moving it. I gotta go to the basement. I hate the basement. The basement is creepy. It smells. I think there's mice. I'm gonna make a judgment call and just assume, I think I can just slide it in without. Yeah, just to make sure. I come from a long line of handymen, and in my family, the way to test, I'm going to take the cover off, I'm going to root around with this knife, and if nothing happens, then it's going to be safe to install this. Okay, the plate's off. Now to test it with the knife. Oh, I gotta go downstairs. I hate it down here. Okay, power's actually off. Slide it in. With the circuit breaker again. Moment of truth. Drum roll, please. Drum roll, please. Thank you. We're charging. So that's the SnapPower Pros. It's only 20 bucks. Installation is super easy. Make sure to trip your breaker first. That was not smart of me to stick a knife in there. Don't do that. Cons, this little bump here makes it impossible to plug in a big boy, you know, you lose a little, but you gain a USB charger. Another con, if you're like me, you gotta go downstairs. I hate going downstairs. Uncle Charlie? I thought you were dead. Just go to the doctor. See anything?